Welcome to our exciting journey through Great Britain. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history, unique traditions, and culinary highlights of this impressive country. Stay tuned because we have plenty of exciting facts and insider tips that will surely surprise you. Did you know, for example, that Great Britain is home to the world's oldest clock? More on that soon. Before we dive into the details, here are 6 fascinating facts about Great Britain that you probably didn't know. 1. Great Britain has more canals than Venice. 2. The shortest scheduled flight in the world is between the Scottish islands of Westray and Papa Westray. 3. The shortest name of a town in Britain is AE. 4. There are more than 30 buttermilk factories in Britain. 5. The world's oldest clock is in Salisbury Cathedral. 6. The world's oldest zoo is in London. Great Britain, comprising England, Scotland, and Wales, is a land of contrasts. From the bustling metropolises like London to the picturesque landscapes of the Scottish Highlands, there's so much to discover. With a population of over 67 million and a history dating back to prehistoric times, Great Britain uniquely blends culture and progress. One of the most fascinating traditions in Great Britain is Morris dancing. This lively dance form has been practiced for centuries and is deeply rooted in rural culture. Many visitors come to Great Britain just to experience this unique tradition. Another highlight is the Guy Fawkes Festival, also known as Bonfire Night, celebrated annually on November 5th. No visit to Great Britain would be complete without trying fish and chips. This classic dish consists of fried fish and chips and is a true highlight of British cuisine. Particularly interesting is its history. Fish and chips became popular in the 19th century and was a favorite meal of the working class. Let us know in the comments if you've ever tried it. A must-see for any visitor is Stonehenge. This mysterious stone formation reflects the rich heritage of Great Britain and offers a spectacular view of the surrounding landscape. If you want an insider tip, visit this site at sunrise, you won't be disappointed. Another hidden gem is the picturesque village of Castle in the Cotswolds. The best time to visit Great Britain is from May to September when the weather is perfect for outdoor activities. An insider tip: avoid the tourist season in August if you want to enjoy authentic experiences without large crowds. And don't forget to check out the local markets to discover fresh produce and handmade souvenirs. Did you know that Great Britain is famous for its numerous castles and palaces? This fact surprises many visitors, as this aspect of the country is often overlooked. A particular highlight is Windsor Castle, the largest and oldest inhabited castle in the world. Let us know in the comments if this surprises you too. Now, discover 3 additional must-see destinations in Great Britain that you simply cannot miss during your vacation. London, Big Ben and the Parliament. Experience the majestic splendor of Big Ben and the Parliament in London. A symbol of British history and architecture that you simply cannot miss. Lake District. Discover the stunning nature of the Lake District. Hike through green hills and enjoy the tranquility of picturesque lakes. A paradise for nature lovers. Cotswolds. Be enchanted by the picturesque villages of the Cotswolds. With their honey-colored stone houses and idyllic landscapes, they are a dream for any photographer. Dive into rare and fascinating additional insights that will make your vacation in Great Britain an unforgettable experience. Royal traditions. Great Britain is renowned for its royal traditions. The British monarchy is one of the oldest in the world with a rich history. Visit Buckingham Palace in London to learn more about the royal family. A highlight is the changing of the guard, an impressive ceremony that takes place daily. Great Britain is home to many famous writers. From William Shakespeare to J.K. Rowling, the country's literary scene is world-renowned. Visit Stratford-upon-Avon, Shakespeare's birthplace, or explore the magical world of Harry Potter at the Warner Brothers Studios in London. Natural wonders. Great Britain impresses with its diverse nature. The White Cliffs of Dover are an iconic landmark on the south coast. In the north, Loch Ness in Scotland attracts with its mystical atmosphere and the legend of the Loch Ness Monster. A must for nature lovers. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a new video. Let us know in the comments which country we should explore next. And stay tuned for our next adventure, where we'll visit Ireland and show you the most beautiful places and best insider tips.